These are my just finished tonight carnivorous plants to hang out front for Halloween night. I did not come up with this. This was a project I just found online, and I will post a link to it, but I modified it a bit to make it how I wanted to make it, and I think it came out really cool. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to hang it outside yet. I'm thinking, because my biggest issue here is that it's on craft foam, and the craft foam isn't very heavy, and so it makes it very unstable, and it would just keep tipping over. So I'm thinking if I use this little bucket here, the craft foam actually slides right into the bucket and is stable, and then I could just put a few like little, those little like marbly stone things which I have that I could stick in there. But anyway, the project is really pretty simple. I made it a lot cheaper than the instructions showed too, because instead of using the compressor hose, all I used was this Tinsley tube stuff that you can find at Dollar Tree around Halloween. And then for the wire that's inside here, it's a really nice stiff green floral wire. See if I can pull one back so you can see it. But that was also from Dollar Tree. So you can't really even see that it's in there because it matches, same color. The plant I found at Walmart for about $5. It was this is one of them cut up. Styrofoam balls cost me a couple dollars at Walmart. Fangs were from Dollar Tree. The blood was from red nail polish. The paint was some cheap craft paint I found at Walmart. It only took one little bottle like this, a little 2-ounce bottle. That's all you really need. And then just a cheap little foam brush from the Dollar Tree. Then the other thing you need to buy is the block. You can't see it because it's in there, but it's a block of that florist foam. It's basically a square block of green styrofoam, and that's how you press everything into here. So all you do is you cut the mouths out with a knife of the styrofoam balls, and then you take, you paint them all green. Then you take construction paper, actually poster board, black poster board, cut it and hot glue it inside the mouth, and then also hot glue in the fang. You hot glue a couple little pieces. I just cut them off the ends of the ferns that I had to the back here. And then you're gonna cut these wires, and I think it said 12 to 18, and I made a couple shorter ones, longer ones, and I'm gonna adjust these guys around before I put them out. But whatever length you really want. The shorter obviously is easier because you don't want too much weight and it's gonna topple over. But yeah, probably about a foot long. And then what was I gonna say? Oh, these just poke into the back of the styrofoam here and into the base and the bottom. And then you're just going to cut up whatever fake foliage you have and push that into the base as well. So it's a really pretty simple project. I got a cute little, if you don't have a hot glue gun, I bought this nice little one here at Walmart. It was like $3 or $4 and it worked excellent. I only used up a few glue sticks, and it was super fast and easy. And the cool stuff with the glue stick is clear glue, so even though I was really sloppy, you can't tell because it just dries clear. And any little bits, like it might leave a little bit of plastic dry glue, you can just peel off. So anyway, cool project, and I will post another video Halloween night when I've got them up and hanging. But I'm really thinking the pumpkin basket is the perfect idea, because what I can do is I can just take off this handle, and then I have some really cute macrame or kind of string macrame hangers that would work perfect for this, and would also put pressure on all sides of it and keep it upright. Blah, I can't talk. But let me know what you think, and if you want to try this project yourself. It was quite fun. Oh, I do want to say this is definitely not something that is weather resistant in any means. I'm going to, instead of having these in the exact location where my usual flower baskets are, which I don't mind getting rain on because water is good for plants and then I don't have to water that day, I'm going to put hooks a little further under so they're completely under my eave. And if we have a windy night between now and Halloween, then I'll just simply take them off and hook them in the garage for now. But let me know what you think, and almost Halloween.